Hi, and welcome back to Trifecta Pilates. If you're new here, my name is Beth. I was recently doing a mat Pilates workout and someone came up to me afterwards and said, "Was that Pilates or something? Because it's like no yoga I've ever seen." And I did answer her that yes, it was Pilates, and even though there are some similarities between Pilates and yoga, they definitely are different movement systems. So I'm here today to answer the question, what's the difference between yoga and Pilates? Let's get started with some similarities. So both systems are really mind-body fitness modalities, and what this means is we want awareness and thoughtfulness while we move on our mats. The benefit of this is we can really be conscious of when an exercise is working for us and when it's not. In addition, when we leave the mat, usually we feel a little bit more refreshed, not only in our body, but mentally as well. Both exercise systems will work to stretch, strengthen, and tone your muscles, and we're both really obsessed with making sure that you're breathing deeply, though we do breathe deeply in different ways. So in yoga, it's all breathing in through the nose and out through the nose, and breathing into the belly. In Pilates, we like to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth, and doing that lateral breathing that we've talked about in some of the Pilates classes on this channel. And as you inhale, feel the rib cage. Push the hands away to the sides of the room. And as you exhale, just bringing the hands back together again, ribs come back together again. Even though you'll see some of the same positions in both yoga and Pilates, in yoga you do yoga poses or asanas, and in Pilates we do exercises. So in yoga you may hold a pose, and in Pilates we're going to move through that body position because it is an exercise. In general, in Pilates, we'll do more side-lying exercises than you do in yoga, and you'll strengthen the obliques and leg muscles a little bit more that way. In yoga, however, you'll tend to do more standing exercises. In general, in a Pilates class, we want you to keep moving with each and every exercise, whereas in yoga, they hold a position for a length of time. Pilates classes were always supposed to be short and effective workouts, so they don't take a whole bunch of time. The mats are also different, and remember I talked about this in another video. Pilates mats tend to be a little bit thicker, a little bit more cushy, and yoga mats are a little bit thinner and usually non-slip. Because we're rolling along our spine in Pilates, it's really important that we have that extra cushion, whereas in yoga, you're holding poses so you don't want to slip. For me personally, besides the class feeling different, the way I feel after I leave a yoga class compared to a Pilates class is much different. Yoga typically will feel really peaceful and calm, kind of mind cleared out, may take us a while to ease back into the rest of our day. Whereas in Pilates, it's really energizing and uplifting typically. It's like you're just ready to go back into your day. There was a point in time where I didn't like Pilates or yoga, and it wasn't because the movement system was bad. I probably just picked a class that wasn't suitable for me at that time, and the instructor I wasn't really vibing with either. So if you've ever taken Pilates or yoga and really haven't liked it before, try a different instructor, try a different class, because the movement systems are really beneficial for your body and life. If you've taken Pilates or yoga and you really feel a difference between the movement systems, leave a comment below and let me know what you think the differences are. As always, I hope you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon for another Pilates class.